Hi, I'm Joe, and you're watching Making Good. Let's talk about change. Change is everywhere we look. It's in the turning of the seasons, the rising and falling of the sun, and in our deadlines coming due, whether we want them to or not. But there is one philosopher who thinks that change is impossible. His name's Zeno, and he had this one thought experiment. Imagine you were firing a bow and arrow at a target. Now, you release the string, and the arrow flies towards its target, but before it can reach there, it has to go halfway. And before it can go halfway to that point, it has to go halfway to that point. And before it can get to that point, it has to go halfway to that point. And so on, creating infinite steps. How in finite time can infinite steps happen? What Zeno neglected to consider was that as the distance got smaller, the amount of time used up by taking that step got smaller, until the amount of time was so infinitesimally small that you can, in fact, fit infinite of those tiny little steps in with each other. That's the instantaneous rate of change. The amount something, in this case the position of the arrow, changes in an instant, too small to be measured. It's also called the derivative, and it is one of the most important pieces of calculus. Now, the rate of something changing doesn't just have to be its position. The rate at which position changes is speed, yeah, but the rate at which speed changes is acceleration.